All right, today we're gonna make Mexican cornbread and Mexican soup. I'm gonna start with the Mexican soup first. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm actually halving this recipe. I'm gonna leave the link to the recipe in the description down below. It's actually from another YouTuber, but it makes a lot. So just for me, I'm just gonna halve the recipe. So I'm gonna brown 1 pound of ground beef. So the beef I'm using is 100% natural, grass-fed Angus ground beef. I prefer Trader Joe's, but I didn't feel like going to 2 stores, so that's what I'm doing. I'm also adding about 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. And a little bit of garlic. All right, the beef is brown. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of this mild Taco Bell seasoning mix. All right, next I'm going to add 1 quart of organic beef broth. One cup of frozen corn. One half can of organic black beans. These are actually rinsed as well, drained and rinsed. 1/2 cup of tomato puree. 1/2 can of organic petite diced tomatoes. A few squirts of lime juice. A sprinkle of salt. All right, now you just want to add a little sprinkle of cilantro. And 1/2 cup of white rice. All right, now we're going to bring this to a boil. All right, after it's boiling, you want to simmer it for 25 to 30 minutes. As we wait for the soup to cook, we're going to start on the cornbread. We're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. All right, you want to mix 1 cup of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of oil, 1½ egg slightly beaten. Stir. 2 tablespoons of onion, 1/2 cup of sweet corn, and 1/2 cup of cheese, and 1/2 cup of milk. All right, that's how it's supposed to look. About that, like that. Looks pretty good. All right, and just bake for 35 to 40 minutes. All right, here's the cornbread. I'm not really sure about it, guys. When I took it out, it was really like greasy. I don't know why it was so greasy. Look how hard it is. Can't even get it out. There we go. So I'll try. I have no idea how it's gonna be. But I know the soup's good. I had it a little bit. I tried a little taste. It's pretty good. It's gonna be really good with sour cream and cheese as well. It looks amazing, guys. Yum. Even though it has cilantro in here, I'm gonna add a little bit of extra cilantro, guys. I just love cilantro. And some cheese. And lastly, some sour cream. Yum. All right, guys, so we made some Mexican soup and some Mexican cornbread. So I'm super excited. I don't know what the cornbread, I'm gonna try the cornbread first because when I took it out really for the first time, it was so oily all around. So let me try the cornbread. It's all right, but I think it could have done better. I'm not sure. I think it could have done better. So in the video recipe I saw, It said to include self-rising cornbread. I didn't see self-rising cornbread. I just got regular cornbread mix. And so in the video when she mixed it up, it was really runny, but when I did it, it wasn't very runny. So I don't know what I did wrong, but it doesn't feel like it's as good as it should be. So I don't know if you should follow the recipe I did, but I'm excited about this Mexican soup. Let's try it out. That's excellent. There's sour cream right here, cheese. It's really good with the beef. Yeah, this is really good. Excellent. So it kind of reminds me of that taco salad that I made. I don't know if you ever saw that video like a few months ago. The sour cream and the cheese and the cilantro. I don't know if I added cilantro, but this doesn't have avocado, but it's really good. You know, if you like beefy soups, you know, with a Mexican flair. If you love cilantro, you might like it. And I'm so glad that I have the recipe. I have so much soup. It's way too much for one person. Very good. I'll try some of this. Not the best cornbread. I don't know what I did wrong. It's really weird. It's good with the corn though. There's corn in her. But if I added too much milk, because I wanted it to be runny like the girl did it, and mine wasn't very runny. So mine was so thick. So today is Saturday. I have the night off. I'm just chilling, relaxing, having some good soup. I did a live video today, and Michael Murphy won the $15 gift card at Burger King. Thank you. Or congrats, Michael. I think he might have lived in the Bay Area, but now he moved to a different state. But yeah, I'm excited about that. Probably mail that off in a few days. It's always fun to do giveaways. People get excited. I'm so glad that he wasn't alive. That was kind of cool. It's pretty good with the rice. This has a lot of different stuff. It's very filling. It has the rice, the beef, the corn, the cheese, cilantro, like tomato based, black beans. I think I added a little less black beans than it could have, and actually a little extra corn, but it's really good. I definitely recommend you make it. That's definitely one of the recipes I will make again. I'm still eating this, but still okay. Well, I'll put it in here a little bit. So last night I watched Pet Sematary, the new one on DVD that came out 6 months ago or something. It was pretty good. I thought it was a little bit different than the first one, but really wasn't that much different. You know, the one from 1989, I think, or something like that. But it was still good. I would recommend it. Today I got a new white nightstand for my bedroom area in my studio. It looks so much better than my old one It's higher, so if I want to have coffee, I don't have to go reach down and get the coffee. It was so annoying. So I'd have to have like a little bowl on my nightstand. I would put my coffee cup on the bowl, so it would be higher up. No, I don't think I have to do that. It was kind of expensive, like $50 for this one, but I think it's the perfect. It's white, which I wanted, and it's the perfect height. I wanted prefer something taller if I could, and so I'm excited. I'm happy. I think it's gonna look really good in my bedroom now. Work tomorrow. That's cool. I added a Taco Bell seasoning, Taco Bell spice sauce or something called. You can get that at Walmart in case you're curious. I think it added some really good flavor to the soup right here. Not really much going on with my life right now. I think my vlog this week will be kind of boring. There's just not much happening. The only thing that was kind of cool that happened this week was I saw my friend Sharon, and she gave me a crystal that she thinks I would need. Other than that, nothing really much really happened. Nobody came over to my house this week. Which is really boring week this week. But I thought it'd be a good vlog. I think it's good to do weekly vlogs for myself too, so just like know, hey, what happened this month or what happened this week, you know, and just be good for me to go back and see too. So, but I'm glad that you're enjoying it. I didn't really expect you guys to enjoy it so much, but I'm getting so many comments that you guys are really enjoying this vlog, so that's really cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's really good. I recommend making this soup. I'm going to leave the link of the video that I saw that she did it, but there's also a recipe video or like a recipe link on Google or something. I'll try to put that in the description as well. Yeah, and have a great day. Thanks guys. Peace.